Are the little pedestals he's standing on to keep him from moving?
Yeah, it's easier than fighting with them.
Right. That's a brilliant idea.
You're supposed to have on some breeds pigment around the eye. And when they don't get it, they'll eyeline it. Not supposed to, but they'll do it anyway so that they fill that gap in.
Okay.
And sometimes they'll take it to the corner of the eye.
Yeah.
And they'll pull it out. Like if you have the masking on your dog, it makes it look like the eye's bigger.
We don't act.
I put your foot in there.